Hello guys, I will be teaching you how to design a flyer for church Thanksgiving service. Click here, click on image size, change the width to 1080, change the height to 1350. Click on OK. Then click here, click on from gallery. So we'll be selecting the background. Click here, click on gallery, then click on Thanksgiving service. Click on the background image that we want to use. Click on mark. Click here. Go to relative size and click on it. Increase the width to the fullest. Increase the height to the fullest. Then click on mark. Click on relative position. Click on the first middle tool. Click on the second middle tool. Click on mark. Then you are going to click here. Click on text. Then you come back to this place here. Click on shapes. Then increase the radius to like 100. Then bring it down like this. Bring it down like this. Bring it up. Then click on mark. Click on new text here. Click here. Click on edit. Then type the name of the church. All Saints Anglican Church. Click here. Click on OK. Then the color we are going to be using, just click on color. Click on plus. Click here. Click on the background image. Then select this part here. This is cool. Then click on mark. Click on OK. Click on mark. Then go to font. Click on it. Go to my font here. Search for Montserrat Bold. Click on it. Click on OK. Then reduce the size that we have here. Just click on the font to bring the text to the front. See that? Then reduce the size of the text. Let me undo. So I'm trying to reduce the size of the text. Then I'll click here again. Click on from gallery. What I'm trying to do is to import the logo of the church. Click here. Click on gallery. Click on Thanksgiving service. Click on the logo. Then click on mark here. Reduce the size. Reduce it. Then position it well. Let me reduce it a bit more. Then I'm going to position everything well. So I'm trying to position everything well. Then I'm going to click here again. Click on from gallery. Click here, click on gallery. Click here, click here to select this image. Click on mark. Then reduce the size. Reduce the size like this. Bring it here. Click on text again. click on edit, then type invite you to, click on OK, then change this to Montserrat bold. Go to font, click on my fonts, click here, click on Montserrat bold, click on OK, reduce the size like this, then go to where we have spacing, let's make it 50, then click on mark, go to where we have relative position, click on it, click on the first middle two, and click on mark, go to position and position it well, this one too, go to relative position, click on the first middle two, position it well, click on any text, click on shapes, then click here, click on circle, click on mark, and then reduce. Reduce it to fit in here very well. Click on the first middle to align it. So we're trying to align it properly. Then click here, click on text, click on edit, and type thanks. Click on OK. Change the color. Change to this color. Click on mark. Go to font. Click on font. Click on my font here. Montserrat black. Click on it. Click on OK. Then bring this here. Reduce the size a bit. Bring it here. Click on copy. Go to edit. Type giving. Click on OK. Then bring it here. Click on this one. Use your relative position tools. Click on the first middle tool. For this one too, click on the first middle tool. Then click on text again. Then type surface. Click on OK. Then change the color. Change to this color. Click on mark. Go to font. Go to my font. Montserrat bold. Click on OK. Adjust this properly. Click on the first middle tool. Bring this up. Let's reduce the size of this a bit. Then go to relative position like this. Go to where we have spacing. Increase the spacing like this. Then it's okay. Then go to relative position, click on it, click here. It's okay like this. Let me just adjust this down a bit. Then you will click here, select any text in order for you to select shapes. Click on shapes. Then reduce this like this. Expand, 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 expand. Click on mark. Click on relative position. Click on the first middle tool. Let me reduce it a bit like this. Click on mark and bring this one here. So I will click on test. Click on edit. Then I'm going to type the venue. All Saints Anglican Church, Oshodi. Click on OK. Change the color to this. Go to font, click on font, click on recent, click on Montserrat bold, click on OK. Use the size, use the size, and bring this here. Click here, click on shapes, bring this one like this. Click on mark, then bring this one like this. I'm trying to bring it down. Let me just use my position tools. Let me change the color. Change it to this color. Bring it down. Okay. Let me use my relative position like this. Then bring it down straight. Let me reduce this a bit. Bring this here. Then click on this. Click on copy. Click on the first middle tool. Click on the second middle tool. Bring this down. Then bring this here. Copy this. Click on edit. Then you're going to type time. One here. Click on OK. Let's use our position tools rather. Bring this here. Let me use this line to align it properly. Select this. Change the font. I want the text to look bold. Click on font. Click on font. Go to recent. Click on Montserrat bold. Then undo. You see that? So I'm going to copy this again. Click on edit. Then type the 10th October. And bring this here. Align it properly. Then click on copy again. Click on edit. For enquiries. For enquiries, six-star Shire. Click on OK and bring this here. Then align this one to properly. Click here to make the lines disappear. Then click on this one. Click on copy. Position it well, like this. So let's go to fonts. Click on recent, select Montserrat bold, click on OK, undo to make the text become clearer. See that? So everything looks okay. All I'm going to do next is to save. We save as project, Thanksgiving service, Thanksgiving. Let's just do it that way. One. Then click on OK. So this is going to save on the PixelLab. Then click here, click on save as image. Go to dimensions, select all track, click on save to gallery. This is going to save to gallery. Then minimize. Go to Snapseed. Okay, I have a work going on there already, so I remove it. Then I'll go to Snapseed as I said earlier. Yeah, so click on this, then select your work. Click on pop. See that effect? See, this is before and this is it using Snapseed. Then click here, click on the mark, click on export and click on save. That's all. That's saved to the gallery.